It is so good. Hey loves, it's your girl Joe Lisette. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of my series, Booze and the Beauty.
Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do that, I dare you to be wild.
I came up with this series. Scratch that. My sister and I came up with this series. I wanted to switch it up on YouTube. I wanted to do something different. I love makeup and I love doing tutorials. What else do I love to do? Hair? No, I don't know how to do hair. The drinks I make are amazing, and I'm not just saying it because it's mine. They really are good. Like for instance, this pineapple passion fruit mimosa. So before we could jump into the tutorial, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's jump in. So we're gonna start off with an ounce of passion fruit rum, orange juice, pineapple juice. Shake it up. We're gonna rim the glass with sugar and orange zest. Then we're gonna pour that and top it off with a champagne or prosecco, and enjoy, loves. This is delicious. You will love it. So the brows are lifted. So I started this YouTube series, Booze and the Beauty, because I honestly wanted to really incorporate my favorite thing, cocktails and beauty. And that's how Booze and the Beauty was born. But we are going to talk about something. Today's topic is glowing up. How to glow up and my glow up journey, which I'm still on. This was me in the beginning. That was me. I was struggling with my skin. So how I started my glow up journey, January of last year. I remember it like it was yesterday. Well, I do remember it like it was yesterday, but I remember I sat on my bed. I need a change. I need to do something different with myself, with my life, with my look. So I sat on my bed, pulled up my computer, and I did like the little sticky notes, and I made a list of things I wanted to change about myself. I did it bullet point version of bullet points about physically, mentally, and emotionally. The first thing on my list was my teeth, then it was my skin, and then it was weight loss. Emotionally, I wanted patience, I wanted peace. I have a tendency to overthink things, so I really wanted to be unbothered and at peace. And then mentally, I did emotionally, I did physically. Mentally, work on my stress levels. So after you make your list, what I did was I started working on the easiest stuff first, which was physically. Did my little research, went to different dentists, got my braces. So that was number one. When you start scratching things off your list, it's gonna feel amazing. Then it was time for the skin. Yeah. Okay, it was rough, but yeah, my skin was looking a hot mess, and you know, as an esthetician, I was like, no, I cannot have this. And actually, it doesn't matter that I was an esthetician, it's just it was not something I was comfortable with. You know, my skin, I wanted to have days where I don't need to put on makeup. That took me a little bit longer. This whole list, it's not overnight, because let me tell you, for my teeth, to get my braces, I need to get 4 teeth pulled. My teeth was literally thrown up in gang signs, like gang signs. It was like blood crips. So I definitely went through it, getting 4 teeth removed. Then I got the braces. That was the worst month of my life. I'm not even gonna cap, like I didn't consider veneers at first. I did. They saw my teeth and they were like, no, you have to get metal braces first, then get the veneers. So I was like, you know what? At that point, I'll just do the braces and call it a day. So that's when I settled on the braces. And like I said, it was hard. Couldn't eat anything for a long time. I was on smoothies, broth, that's it. So it actually helped me to lose some weight, which was my next bulletin. Got off subject, back to the skin portion. So when it came to my skin, I had to treat myself like I would a client, and I did a consultation on myself. I was like, what my skin type, skin concerns, skin goals. First thing I had to do was to get my active acne under control, which was really easy because it really just came from congested skin. You know, I wasn't thoroughly cleansing my skin at night because I was tired. I would just wash it and then, you know, go to sleep. I wasn't like taking time to exfoliate, you know, all of that makeup, dirt, and debris. Yeah, so once I calmed the acne down, I went ahead and I gave myself a deep chemical peel. So with that, you know, kind of skincare routine that really worked for me and products that really work for my skin. Now, with that being said, you can follow these skin gurus on Instagram and on TikTok, but my tip about that is find the ones that are actually licensed. Do not just go by influencers who are not licensed. Don't do that. I promise you, they don't even use those for their own skin. Find an esthetician on TikTok. I could also post my skincare routine on how I transform my skin. So comment below if you want me to post that. I have absolutely no problem doing that. Also too, feel free to comment like your skin concerns and skin types, because I could also make a video addressing my favorite product. So please feel free to comment below and I will assist you. That looks really pretty. So the weight loss part now, I'm definitely still working on. I try to go to the gym. I get up at 6:30 and get that out the way. Like, I have to do it early in the morning. I will not do it at night. One, it's too busy at night. So my makeup skills are good, but they're not that good. I need full concentration for this eyeliner part. But yeah, for the gym, you really just have to get in there and do it. That's what I had to do. I kept putting off. I kept finding excuses. But the more you work out, you're going to realize that it actually feels good to work out. Now, let's talk about the emotional and mental journey. I started journaling. That has helped me so much. I definitely recommend. Also, too, there are so many ways of therapy nowadays. The next step is to talk to a therapist, because I feel like mental health is very important and it is not really talked about. And that's definitely something we need to change. Sometimes you do have to take a break from what's going on. You need to find some sort of alone time or an outlet. Stress can kill. I was stressing over social media, stressing over relationships, stressing over my weight. When you make this list, do not stress over it. This is something that's to help you put into perspective of what you need to do. You also need to work on it when you're ready, when you're good. Not when you have a whole bunch of things going on and you need to add this to the list. No. You know, I started meditating. If you don't meditate, I highly recommend it. Also journaling, which is, you know, allow me to express my emotions in a healthy, safe place. I'm trying to think what else I did. Well, working out, that also helped me. And you'll learn, like, at least for me, I mean, everybody's journey is different and what they learn is different. I learned that not everybody knows how to deal with their emotions. If something goes wrong in the morning for me, my whole day's ruined and I'm taking it out on everybody. That's not how I want it to be. And also too, what helps is, like, I understand what this, you know, pandemic has done to people, and it's been crazy, and you don't know what people have lost. I feel like, you know, I've been through a lot in the past year, and if it has taught me anything, it is to live. And anything you want to accomplish, do it now. And that is what really pushed me to make everything on my list happen. And so far, I am doing fantastic, and I am also hoping too that this video can give you some guidance. Yeah, this video is just like a little blueprint of why I got started and how I got started. If you want me to break down each section into more details in my future videos, please feel free to comment and let me know, because I can definitely get more specific. This was more of just an overview. But yeah, so I've definitely been making sure to be on the positive vibes, and then also too, if something is bothering me, to be able to voice it respectfully, of course. Family, friends, I want to be able to discuss how I feel, and also too how they made me feel. I think that was a big thing also too, is being able to talk openly about my emotions, because I would be so closed off. And you should be emotionally mature enough to be able to talk about your feelings, and then the person you're addressing your feelings to should be emotionally mature enough to hear you out. Let me tell you something, if they do not want to hear your feelings, they don't want to hear your emotions, peace out, Girl Scout. Do not surround yourself with somebody who does not want to listen to you. And during this journey, I'm going to be honest, you are going to lose quite a few bit of friends, guys. I'm just putting that out there. It's gonna happen. That's one thing I will say, guys, is like this journey was not easy. It's still ongoing, you know, a whole year later. But I am proud of what I have accomplished. Be proud of yourself, even if you slip up, because there were some days where I was skipping the gym. I was too tired. I was like, no. But as long as you get back in there, you will be just fine. Because again, sometimes you do need a break mentally. And also listen to your body. Your body will tell you when you need to rest and when you need to take a break. Your mind will tell you when you need to rest and take a break. I'm huge on that. Like, if I have a full day of productivity to do, like shoots and everything like that, the minute I start feeling anxious, it's time to take a break. Also, another tip, if you are starting this journey with a friend, just remember that you guys are on two separate journeys. Focus on yourself. Even if that other person may fall off, that's fine. It could be that there's not their time to start yet. Leave it at that. And I did say earlier that you will be losing some friends. The friends that you do lose, guys, I'll be honest with you, they were never really your friends. They're just jealous of your shine. The goal of this whole thing was to glow up, look good, feel good, and don't be afraid to take a break from social media, because that can be very discouraging too, especially in the weight loss portion for me. You know, there were some times where I had to just, you know, no, I'm getting off of this. Social media can be both a blessing and a curse, but just keep in mind, not everything you see on social media is real, okay? Also, a really, really, really big tip, be grateful. Be grateful for where you are on your journey. I think it's really important to show gratitude no matter where you are in your journey, that you're actually able to start it and be here and do that. It'll also make the process a lot more smooth. You know, you'll enjoy it a lot better. And also remember, guys, this is not an overnight process. It's gonna take some time. You know, this is not a race to the finish. The only person you should be in competition with is the person who you were. So I really hope that this video has helped you guys, and also so you can see that it is possible. You know, I was able to do it, and like I said, of course, I'm still on my journey, but we can be on this journey together. I feel like community support is huge, and I understand that not everyone has that community to support them. So by all means, if you ever need motivation, if you ever need support, if you ever need, you know, words of strength to keep going, please feel free to send me a message, DM me on Instagram or TikTok. I will always respond, and I am here to help. So now for the lips, give me 1 second, because I'm actually going to do them for TikTok, because I want to do the MAC challenge. Doing this tutorial, well, not really that it was a tutorial, it was, like I said, it was more of a chit chat. You know, we were able to talk about glowing up, my process, and how I got started. I will be posting these videos every Friday. If you love these videos, you want to see more, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.